Sia, a hardworking professional who used to be enthusiastic and engaged in her work. Recently, she has been feeling increasingly disconnected and alienated in her job. Sia's workload has significantly increased, leaving her with little time for personal or social activities. She feels isolated from her co-workers as they rarely interact, and the office environment lacks a sense of friendship. Sia's social alienation begins to take a toll on her mental well-being. She feels like an outsider, unable to connect with her colleagues on a personal level. This sense of isolation contributes to feelings of sadness and detachment. This is alienation. In the field of psychology, alienation refers to a complex and profound sense of disconnection that individuals may experience in their lives. It is a feeling of being detached from oneself, others, or the surrounding world. Alienation can manifest in various forms such as social alienation, self-alienation, or existential alienation. Here we have seen Sia's social alienation. It is characterized by a sense of detachment from social relationship, a feeling of being isolated or excluded from others. It can arise from factors such as social rejection, lack of social support, or a sense of not fitting into societal norms. As Sia's social alienation continues, she starts experiencing self-alienation. She feels disconnected from her work, questioning its significance and her own abilities. She begins to doubt her purpose and loses confidence in her skills. Sia's self-alienation intensifies as she no longer derives satisfaction or meaning from her work. She feels detached from her own values and passions, leading to a loss of motivation and a growing sense of emptiness. Self-alienation involves feeling disconnected from oneself. It is a state where individuals may feel a loss of identity, purpose, or a lack of connection with their own thoughts, emotions, or values. Sia's existential alienation starts to emerge. She begins pondering the larger questions about the purpose of her life and whether her work aligns with her deeper aspirations. She feels disconnected from the broader meaning and significance of her existence. Existential alienation. It delves into the philosophical aspect of alienation. It relates to a person's search for meaning and purpose in life, a feeling of being estranged from the larger existential questions about one's existence and the universe. Alienation can have significant psychological impact, leading to feeling of depression, anxiety, and a diminished sense of well-being. It can affect one's relationship, work productivity, and overall quality of life. Realizing the negative impact of her alienation, Sia decides to take proactive steps towards reconnecting with herself and others. She seeks support from a mentor and starts attending networking events to build meaningful connections. Through self-reflection and exploration, Sia begins to discover her values and strength. She incorporates activities outside of work that align with her passion, bringing a renewed sense of purpose and fulfillment. Strategies for coping with alienation can include seeking social support, engaging in self-reflection and self-discovery, then cultivating meaningful relationships, exploring personal values, and finding purpose in life. It is through these efforts that individuals can regain a sense of belonging, reconnect with their true selves, and find meaning in their lives. As we come to the end of this video, I hope it has provided you with a valuable insight into the complex phenomenon of alienation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who may benefit from understanding and addressing alienation in their lives. Thank you and keep smiling.